Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer crypto from crypto. Com to your Ledger Nano X. First, ensure your Ledger device is fully updated and ready. You'll need to install the correct application for your specific cryptocurrency on Ledger Live. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and secure transfer process. Always double-check all details before proceeding to avoid any issues. Before initiating any transfer, download and install the Ledger Live application. Next, connect your Ledger Nano X and update its firmware to the newest version available. Finally, install the specific cryptocurrency application, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, onto your Ledger device through Ledger Live. This ensures compatibility and security for your assets. Now, open your crypto.com app and navigate to the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Select the Withdraw option and then External Wallet. Carefully paste your Ledger wallet address, ensuring it matches exactly. Choose the correct network, for example, ERC20 for Ethereum, and enter the amount you want to send. Double-check everything before confirming. After initiating the withdrawal from crypto.com, you will receive a confirmation. Always review all transaction details one final time before approving. You can then monitor the transaction's progress using a blockchain explorer. Once confirmed on the network, your cryptocurrency will appear in your Ledger Live account, safely secured on your Ledger Nano X.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.